Hey friends, this is Asif Hope Val and welcome to the update on VeChain. For the past several days, the price on a VeChain was moving inside this parallel channel that we have now finally broken down. The target for this breakdown that I was telling you in my previous videos was here. That was approximately at 3.2 cents, 2.8 cents. And you can see that the price then dropped more than that, approximately up to 2.7 cents. But that was just a spike in the price and it covered back and still moving at this support of 3.2 cents. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 3.2 cents has been previously working as a almost as a support here. But if we move more back, then here you can see that here it had been breaking other resistance. We got very strongly rejected by this resistance here. And here it was breaking other resistance as well. And now despite this long spike, the pricing could not break down the support of 3.2 cents so far. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this down channel as well. And we will also take a look at this huge breakout that has already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this though to here, the price line of VeChain has rallied almost more than 541%, 506%. And I would also like to share with you my this trade signal for VeChain that I shared in the previous month of January 2025 on 12th of January 2025. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and then for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for VeChain that I shared on 12th of January 2025 with my members. And this was a bullish garlic pattern that VeChain formed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell targets on here and here as well. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this parallel channel, horizontal channel, by the way. We found the support here. This was, by the way, quite long-term support of 3.9 cents. That was now again acting as a support of the channel. And this resistance, the channel was already working as a very strong resistance as well, a quite long-term resistance. That was at 5.6 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this 3.9 cents has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And before that, was acting as a support here in the month of Feb 2022. And if you take a look at the resistance of the channel, that was previously working as a resistance here. Before that, it had been working as a support here. And for 1 week, it was also working as a resistance here as well. And now, again, for the past several weeks, it was working as a very strong resistance. Now, finally, we have broken down the support of this horizontal channel and we have already hit the target for the breakdown from this channel, but that was just a spike beyond this support, another quite long-term support of 3.2 cents, and now the price has recovered back, did not break it down. For example, if we will break it down, then the pricing can test the next long-term support of 2 cents. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, and you can see that this 2 cents has been previously working as a very strong support here for several months. And before that, it had been working as a resistance here, and support here as well. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very, very nice pump. And our expected target was, by the way, here at the top of the channel at here, approximately at 5.4 cents. But you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. But still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 26 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.